Very good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. So, today in this class, we are going to start our next chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Motherland. In this chapter, we are going to learn about our country, India, about our official language, about our national anthem, our song, and the about our national flag. Okay, so it is given. The chapter is given on page number 6. So let's just start reading the first line. India is a sovereign democratic republic country. Let's see how much you know about your motherland. Okay, so the first is our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. जो हमारा national anthem है वो the name of the national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Now the number 2 is the national song is Dash and it was composed by Dash. So the name of the national song is Vande Mataram and it was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now the next is our national flag has 3 colors dash dash and dash. So there are 3 colors in our national flag. हमारे राष्ट्रीय तिरंगे में 3 colors होते हैं. They are saffron, white and green. It has a chakra, blue chakra in the center with 24 spokes. So it has a blue chakra also. You might have seen in the middle of the national flag and it has 24 spokes in that. So now the next is our official language is dash. Note, even though we say Hindi as our national language, there is no national language for India, but our constitution recognized Hindi in Devanagari script as the official language. Article 343/1 of our constitution. Now the next is Satyamev Jayate means dash. That means truth alone trumps. Okay, सत्यता की ही जीत होती है. Now the next is there are 4 lions in our national emblem, but only dash are visible from the front. Okay, so it is generally said that there are 4 lions in our national emblem and 3 are only visible from the front. Okay, now the next is our national calendar is based on Saka era with Chaitra as its first month. जो हमारा national calendar रहता है वो किस एरा पे बेस्ड रहता है. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द साका एरा और जिसका पहला जो मंथ रहता है इट इज़ कॉल्ड चैत्र. ओके, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव लर्न अबाउट आवर कंट्री इंडिया विच इज़ आवर मदरलैंड. Okay, in this we have studied about the national anthem, who has written is, and what is the name of that national anthem and song, and what is the language which is being spoken here. It is Hindi. So this is all about this chapter. Now we are going to start our next chapter, which is the puzzling words. Chapter number 5, which is given on page number 9. Okay, so here are some pictures of one word with 2 meanings. Okay, that means the word are used for 2 of the pictures are same, but their meanings are different in their different senses. They are used in different senses. Okay, now the first is nut. Okay, the first picture shown is nut. It is eaten by our people. Okay, now the next is nut. It is used in the machines and the things. Okay, it is a tool, it's an instrument. So in this way the word used is nut, which has 2 different meanings in their different sense. Now the next is foot. The first picture shown is your part of a body and the second is a ruler, which is also called a foot. Now the third is trunk. The first picture shown is the nose of an elephant, and the second one is which is shown in the picture is a trunk. That means shakha. Okay, पेड़ की शाखा को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as a trunk. Now the next is fourth one is tank. The first one is used in the wars and fight. Okay, now and the second is used for filling waters and it is used for containing and storing water. So the second one is used in that term, in that sense. Now the fifth one is cricket and the fifth is cricket. So the first picture shown here is a cricket, which is a sport. Okay, which is played by all the cricket players, and the second is it's an insect, which is also called a cricket. So here also we can see that it contains 2 different meanings, but the word used is same for 2 of the things. Now the next is seal. The first is an animal and the second is a seal, which is used on brand or on certain things, or it is used everywhere in the institution or like anything. Now the next is seventh. Seventh one is a plant. First one is shown as a machine, and the second is plant, which is called a पौधा in Hindi. Okay, now the next is jam. First one is it is eaten by our people, by we people, and the next is jam means it's a traffic. Okay, we have used jam in two different senses, but their meanings are different. Okay, so this is all we have studied about the puzzling word. Now next we have is a bookland. Okay, we all know we have different varieties of book which contain different sort of things in that. So हम उन्हें अलग अलग नाम से बुलाते हैं. ओके, सम आर स्टोरी बुक, सम आर नॉवल, सम आर जनरल्स, सम आर डायरीज. ओके, सो बहुत सारे वैराइटीज़ होती हैं बुक की, विच वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर विच इज़ गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 10, चैप्टर नंबर 6, बुकलैंड. Okay, books may be different kinds for different purposes. Match the following, or there are some name of the books which are given here. We are going to match with their definition. For example, album. So what is a album? Album is a book for कीपिंग फोटोग्राफ्स, जिसमें आप आपके सारे ओकेजन्स के अकॉर्डिंग सारे फोटोग्राफ्स आप रखते हैं. ओके, सो दैट बुक इज़ नोन एज album. Now the first one is atlas. What is a atlas? Atlas is a book containing maps. Now the next is dictionary. What is a dictionary? A book that lists and explains meaning of word in alphabetical order. You might have seen dictionary सभी के पास में होती है, जिसमें आपके सारे words के meaning alphabetical order में आपको दिए रहते हैं. You can find any of the meaning in any word of any meaning of the word in that book. Now the next is diary. What is a diary? A diary, a book to write daily records, जिसमें हम डेली के रिकॉर्ड्स रखते हैं चीज़ों के, हमारे सारे स्केड्यूल. सो दैट थिंग इज़ नोन एज, दैट बुक इज़ नोन एज डायरी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ इज कैटलॉग. व्हाट इज़ अ कैटलॉग? अ बुक कंटेनिंग कंप्लीट लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स, जिसमें सारे प्रोडक्ट के जो लिस्ट बनी हुई रहती है. सो दैट बुक इज़ नोन एज कैटलॉग. ओके, आप कहीं भी कोई भी शॉपिंग स्टोर पे जाते हैं, आप देखते हैं कैटलॉग्स होते हैं वहाँ पे, तो यू गेट एन आइडिया व्हाट टू बाय एंड विच वन इज़ द बेस्ट वन अमंग्स दैट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज डायरेक्टरी. व्हाट इज़ अ डायरेक्टरी? अ बुक कंटेनिंग द लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल्स नेम्स एंड टेलीफोन नंबर्स, मतलब जिसमें बहुत सारे लोगों के नाम भी होते हैं, मेंशन होते हैं विद देयर टेलीफोन नंबर्स, विद देयर कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स. सो यू कैन एनी टाइम यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट विद देम. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज मैगजीन. व्हाट इज़ अ मैगजीन? A periodical publication containing interest stories and articles. Publication मतलब मैगज़ीन में आपको बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स मिलते हैं, सारी चीज़ों से रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है, पॉलिटिकल, वेदर इट इज़ एग्रीकल्चर, एजुकेशनल, और इट मे बी एनीथिंग. सो दैट बुक इज़ नोन एज योर मैगज़ीन. So this much for today. Thank you children. Have a good day.